One major argument in support of combating the ongoing biodiversity crisis is the idea that diverse communities can provide plant, animal, and even human disease resistance. This negative relationship between diversity and infestation is known as the dilution effect. However, in terms of plant pathogens, the opposite positive relationship has also been found, what's known as the amplification effect. We hypothesized that the mixed empirical support for dilution and amplification effects was because they should be conceptualized as a single continuum rather than an either-or scenario. We predicted that invasive pest establishment at a given site could be either positively or negatively impacted by host diversity, as a function of each host tree's relatedness and density, while taking into account underlying pest spread patterns. Since the process we were trying to model is fundamentally an interaction between individual pests with individual trees, we chose to model the contribution of each tree at each site to each pest's establishment success. In our model, establishment was a result of the density of each tree and its relatedness to the known focal host community of each pest. We synthesized this model with our existing spread model to create a final joint model of spread and establishment. In this final model, we observed density-dependent amplification at small levels of dissimilarity from focal hosts. This was replaced by density-dependent dilution up to a threshold phylogenetic dissimilarity. So far, this is what we expected. However, beyond this threshold, we again saw positive density dependence emerge. These findings suggest that, as predicted, host diversity exhibits both amplification and dilution effects. Closely related hosts appear to be a net positive, while intermediately related hosts appear to have negative impacts on establishment. At even higher levels of dissimilarity, dilution is replaced by amplification, potentially due to highly diverse sites being indicative of suitability for all types of species. Given our strong fits, it appears that these interesting patterns are generalizable across the entire pest community, ranging from insects to fungi. Thanks.